Okay, now first of all, I would like to say that I don't like teaching rules, but I have to, because you're gonna be asked to find horizontal, vertical, and oblique asymptotes, and I'm gonna show you what they are. Vertical asymptote is just an imaginary line that goes like this on the x and y plane, and the horizontal asymptote is this one, and the oblique asymptote is this one. They're all imaginary lines on the xy plane. So vertical, and this is the part where I remind you to put some background music just so that you don't get too bored. Yeah, and oblique. Oblique. Yeah. So vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes are just the x's or zeros or whatever you want to call them, which we have been looking at. They're just that, and I mean, they're just lines that cross the y-axis. You see them? They're crossing it. So those are our zeros. Now, horizontal and oblique asymptotes are a little bit more complicated. They are the reason why I had to make this whole video. So we have a rational function, f of x equals a n and b m, right? So a is just a number, b is just a number too, m and n are their degrees, right? So our first rule says that if the degree on top is less than the degree at the bottom, less than, then you automatically know that you have a horizontal asymptote y equals 0. That's it. That's our first rule. Now let's take a look at the second one, which says that if the degree on top is greater than or equal to the bottom, so greater than or equal, right, to the bottom degree, you can't use your calculator and you have to do a long division in order to find the asymptote. Okay, so long division, no calculator. Okay, let's see. Then there's this other rule that says that if the degree on top is equal to the degree on the bottom, then you divide the number on top. So you would divide this number by this number, okay, in order to get your horizontal asymptote, y equals a over b. So if you had 5 here over 5 here, well, that would be y equals 5 over 5 equals to 1. And that would be your horizontal asymptote, right? It's that simple. Oh no, I erased pi. Look at that. Okay, I'll rewrite it. Okay. Let's see. So f of x equals it was an an over a bn. Now, let's see. So if the degree on top is 1 more than the degree at the bottom, then you have a oblique asymptote y equals ax plus b. A, so this a, b, you add an x. Okay, that's your oblique asymptote. Of course, it's never going to be that simple, but we'll work on it later on. Now, if the degree on top is 2 more than the degree at the bottom, you have an oblique asymptote, and you have to do long division. Okay, long division, no calculator, long division to find the oblique asymptote. Okay? And that's it for these rules. Hope you didn't learn that much. Okay, try to get everything you saw here into your heads, and guess you'll be fine. Uh, Subscribe and like. High five. Background music. Goodbye.